This is the entrance to the harbor for the ferries to Penida. This is the official building for the Sanur harbor. It recently opened a few years ago. Encounter here, just like boarding a plane. It's a check-in. You have to ticket. There's a waiting room. You have to wait for the boat for the embarking. There's the jetty. So many ferry boats. This is the ferry terminal to Penida. That is, I think that's our ferry. There's a Mabu there over here. Yes, it is. Huge, many passengers to embark the ferry boats to Penida now. This is the port. The port of Penida now, and Pelabuhan Banjar New. Yeah, I think you have something like a SeaWorld for the kids. So from the jetty, we have to walk to this beach front. There's a lot of stalls, food stalls. This is the beach front before we can go to be transferred in our rental cars. So the way to Diamond Beach, you must go through the forest. Yeah, this is the way to Diamond Beach. The road is small and it's so winding. Dangerous if you don't know how to drive here. This is Diamond Beach.
Di sini. Nanti kita sampai sana aja kalau bisa. Kalau enggak di sini.
The rocks. And there, it's beautiful. Unfortunately, this morning it drizzled. This looks like a diamond sticking out from the sea. Again, look. Just the sandy beach. Let's zoom it in. The water. And the huge, some of the waves here. Ini ya lagi persiapan untuk flying fox. Ya,
Posisi kameranya tetap aja kayak gini ya, Bu.
Biar nanti apa namanya dapat semua angelnya.
Nggak boleh pegang yang kanan ini.
Bebas kan kiri bisa.
Maksud saya ini.
Ya, pegang lepas saja.
Iya.
Ini lepas saja
Tangannya
lepas saja.
dilepas saja.
Ya, kaki ya. Enggak
Nah, iya nggak apa-apa.
Ya, ya.
Mantap.
Ya.
Satu. Oke, next. 3, 2, 1.
Nyangkut di situ?
Di rem.
Di rem. Oh.
Berdiri.
Sorry.
Diamonds Beach are still some rocks here. But it's blocked by the foliage. Yeah, beautiful diamond beach and Atuh beach. To diamond beach. This is Atuh beach. Look, it has a sandy white strip. It's good. Just next to Diamond Beach. This is the entrance to the Kelingking Cliff beach. It's quite crowded now, in spite of this not so friendly weather. Yeah, this is the walkway entrance to the Kelingking Cliff. Yeah, this is the Kelingking Beach, Kelingking Cliff, like the little finger. They call the Kelingking is little finger.
How many phones do you think are just down the bottom here?
Yeah. There's a way down, but it's so difficult thing.
Оля, сфоткай меня. Сфоткай меня вот отсюда. Пожалуйста.
Понимаешь, что тут кругом куча народа?
There's the worker that's trying to.
Понимаешь это?
There will be
Мне кажется, селфи проще.
elevator.
Ну ты сама видишь, что творится. Они
I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill, on Blueberry Hill, where I found you.